Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today we're going to make some fun stuff, and our theme is Sanibel. When I was a little girl, my family went to Sanibel Island. That's in southwestern Florida. We went there several times, and it is such a beautiful area. I'm hoping to get there in the near future once again with my husband. But today I'm going to kind of work around Sanibel Island. And I'm going to make a zipper pull and a pair of earrings. Those of you who are not familiar with Sanibel Island, it is an island off of Fort Myers, off the coast of Fort Myers. And for anybody who loves shells, this is the place to go. And you can just scoop up the shells, and I don't know. It's one of my very favorite places to go, and I want to go back so bad. And we're kind of talking about going here in the near future. Okay, let me tell you a little bit of what I'm doing here. I just made a little loop. I have some 20 gauge antique brass wire, and the beads I'm going to be using are these fun druzy agates. I have a picture jasper, this little turquoise stone starfish, a cat's eye that's in a peach color, this peach shaped crystal. For the earrings, I'm just going to make some simple earrings, but I'll talk about those in a little bit. For the dangle on this pole, I'm using a shell, and this is supposed to represent a bell. I got these forms several months ago from a bargain bead box, and I always look at them as kind of a fleur-de-lis, but I think they look a lot like a bell too. So we have Sanibel shells and a bell. Is that too corny? All right, let's see how I want to do this. I think I want this at the bottom, and I think I want this at the top, this cat's eye. Where's the hole? Sometimes I have the hardest time finding the holes. There we go. So we've got that, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this pear-shaped crystal on there. I wanted to make sure the skinny part's facing up. And then we're going to do the starfish. And then the picture jasper. And I think what I might do is make this go the other way. I don't like the wire showing there. So let's turn the starfish in the other direction. Yes, that fits much better. And then put the picture jasper at the bottom. We still have a little bit of wire showing, but that's fine. And then we're going to have the druzy agate at the bottom. Okay, and I'm just going to hang a lobster claw at the top here. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to make a loop at the bottom to hang both of these on. So I want this loop at the bottom to be pretty big, so I'm going to go down to the bottom of my round nose pliers, and I'm going to make a loop, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the shell on there, and then the bell on there, and then I'm just going to wrap it. And you know what? I think I'm actually going to come up and wrap up to here. Go one more time, and I'm going to only wrap it just a little bit, like so. And let's see, do I want to continue to go up? I don't know, let's see. Might want to continue to go up. Let's see what it looks like. Yep, I think I'm going to continue. And then we'll go up here. And I only have a little bit more there. Well, I'll go ahead and cut it off. Always save your scraps. I could use that for another one of these. Need to make sure I tuck that in though. And there we go. And then I just want to add the lobster claw to this. And we have a little pole. Actually, I'm going to go get my little instrument to help me close this jump ring a little better. Okay, I was able to use this little ring thing. I really like this. It helps me open and close jump rings a lot better. I love the way this turned out. Now for the earrings. Let's put this here like this so you can look at it. So I'm just going to make a pair of simple earrings. And then I'm going to tell you exactly why I'm making these. So my sister, Tammy Pally of Peacecraft Love, is a doll collector. She loves Blythe dolls. And they have a little pole where they can, you just pull their little string and it changes the colors of their eyes. And a lot of people like to hang charms on those little strings. And so lately, I can't get this open here, I've been making quite a few of these. Okay, don't want to break it. There we go. But I've been making quite a few of these sets for my sister to hang, for her to hang on her dolls. But you can also use them to hang just wherever you would like, as far as like a backpack or your purse or wherever. And these earrings, they're perfect size for these dolls. But if you like dainty earrings, these are really perfect for that too. And so you just take your little lobster claw, open it up, and there you have a little bit of a decoration on her pole. See, when you pull this, her eyes change. Anyway, this is for my sister's doll named Sanibel. So that's why I was doing the Sanibel theme. But honestly, I'm a little curious about whether or not you would even use something like this. Are you a doll collector? Do you have Blythe dolls? And would you put these on the poles? Or would you put them on your purse or backpack? Or am I missing some other place that you could put them? Let me know in the description or in the comment section below, because I'm kind of curious if you would use these and how. And I would appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe to my channel. Mostly though, I hope y'all have a fantastically wonderful day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.